Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Wise app. So if you also want to update Wise app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you update the Wise application, you'll be able to enjoy the latest features and benefits. Also, your application will be more secure and smoother. So in order to update the Wise application, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here what you have to do is search for Wise. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the application for Wise International Transfers. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. So that is how you update Wise application. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.